What a beautiful morning it is. A bit frosty, but the sun's coming out. It's 2 degrees. And we're off to Aston Park Fisheries today. League match. I've missed 3 league matches, so I ain't got a good chance of doing anything in this, but I'm going to make everyone now till end, so you never know. Last match on here, league match, I won my section, so that were a 1-pointer. Won't same again today. You never know. Go Aston Park Fisheries. Bit bumpy. Some cars on this lake. There we go, guys, just entering Aston Park Fisheries. This is Stable Lake on your right here. That's in league match today, so I could be on that lake today. And then on your right, just here, you've got Split. That's also in league today. Just there, look on your right, and then straight in front of us we've got Atlanta, which is the one with the little island down that's got lots of little F1s in. As you've seen some of the previous videos, that's really good in summer. Plenty of bites on that lake. I think it won open match as well on there yesterday. I think it finished in top 3 actually. First, second and third all come off Atlanta. And here we go, up to the fishery. Cafe's there, look. We'll go in shop, get us a bit of bait, and we'll catch you all later. Here you go, guys, I've just done draw at Aston today, league match, and I've got big 16 on Lanta, which is a really good area in summer, because I know you catch down that margin, but I'm happy with that. I should catch some bites today, and we'll see how we get on. I'll get back to you when I get to my peg. See you later, bye bye. Well, guys, I'm on peg 16 on Lanta, which is a decent peg, and we'll see how we get on. Just going to start far bank, 3.5 foot of water, put an expander on. And a little ball of ground bait. Bring a little ball in like that. That's all they're getting. A little ball of ground bait, Pete, what you reckon? That's a carp, that's no little F1. Good start, that beat, innit? That's what you want for spurring. A little gap. That's a little fish. That's definitely a little fish. A little baby, that one. That like dinked it up then, is it? Wickle F1s. Oh guys, you join me. What time is it? 2 hours in, and I've had 10 F1s and one carp, about £3. I've just started catching them to this edge down here. Maggot. And better stamper F1s down this edge. And I've had a barbel as well. Come on, the fishies. There you go. Got one. And I think it's a carp. It's not, it's an F1. It's a better F1 as well. Don't mind if they're this big. We don't. Not a bad fish, that. Another one. Fishing. Fishing double white maggot. On a size 18 F1 pellet hook. I'm putting about 15 maggots in the cad pot. And we've got another one. Well, they're not bad fish, them. Can't moan at them. So I'll just leave that 10 minutes while I have a cuppa. Fish my short line now. Try that. It's about 4 foot there. So I've got my bulk and then 6 inches. I've got 2 shots as droppers. And again, size 18 F1 pellet, and that's down to 010 fluorocarbon up length. Let's have a cuppa. Catching down there, and I did. I've got one. Nice little F1. Just got a short F1 kit in. I don't mind them if they're that big. One of the better stamps F1s that's in here, this. Only 2 of them tip pound. Thank you. I think that's a little one. It might be foul hook, if anything. Fuck. Thought it was. Foul hook here. carp. There it is. That little thing. Nice little carp. Let it pan that. Nice wickle F1. Keep plodding along with these little F1s. Let's keep plodding along with these little F1s. There's a better fish. It does. Definitely feels a better fish. Might make carp this actually. Cheers. That's a carpeters. Nice little fish, that one. Don't mind them if they're that big, do we, kid? Come on, the fishes. Open your mouth, you bugger. Come on, you little bugger. Straight in. Bottom of the 6 to 8 that one. Do-do-do. See where I'm fishing there. I'm only about 2 foot as well. Very deep at all here. So I want it straight down. Well, there you go guys, you heard that. That's end at match. I've caught some down that edge there, about 3 foot off that platform in about 3.5 foot of water. I've had some at far bank over there, and I think I've had one short and then a couple down to my left, top kit plus one down edge on maggot bait. I've had white maggots, red maggots, some ground bait which is F1 green, crushed expanders mixed 50-50, and then some expanders and corn, but I've not used corn today. We'll see how we get on. Catch you later. Some net of silvers that.
Quite out on it. Quite out on it.
£27 winning it up to yet. I think that'll probably be best out lake, I think.
Thirsty there, Marcus?
They're in.
There is.
They're in.
Still in, yeah. Thank you, Stephen. There'll be some more. Done it right, you know that, don't you? There's only been
28, 9. Close, pal. I think we're close to me and you.
It's me. Only me, don't. That's what she says.
Cheers, pal. Thank you. What's he say?
He said it were ringing. It's his mum, and she'll say it's only me, Doug, and voicemail, and he played it, and she said it's only me, Doug. Well done, Marcus.
Close, that, and
yeah.
I didn't think.
That was cost me. I think I've had 2 fish.
I didn't think I'd got that much. Them F1s were bigger than what I thought. No, down there.
Yeah. I say when it used to be a lot of carping, you were brilliant.
Well, I set a line up 13.5 metre towards that black thing.
Yeah.
But like in 3 foot, but I never went on it.
No.
Because I seen him fishing down here. He only had to.
About 2.5 foot.
No, about 3 foot.
Was it?
Yeah, I come. It was bobbly, and then I found a nice flat bit a bit further there. A good 3 foot front platform.
Yeah.
Well, there you go, guys. End at match, and I've weighed £28.6, I think, which is won my section. So another section win. That's good. Last league match we had, when it was iced over, I won my section as well. So that's 2 section wins on trotting league, which is what you go for. Winner at match today was John Forster here on 40, sorry, peg 40, where they've took wall down. He's had quite a lot of carp and some F1s. He's had £58. Winner of our lake had £30. So second on lake. Andy Cake next to me had £27. I knew it was close between me and him. So well done, Andy. And please remember, guys, like and subscribe. It don't cost out, it's all free, and I'll be posting more videos. I'll see you later. Bye bye.